Well, I just thought I'd show you my new project, which is a 1978 Mini Moke that I have purchased. I'm going to do a full nut and bolt restoration on it. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough. I've already started actually, so I've pulled the front clip out, engines here, pulled the rear clip out. I'll just show you those sitting outside here ready to clean and degrease. That's them there. Rear clip, front clip. Now what I'm doing at the moment is making a rotisserie for it. So I've just cut this off, put a bolt through. I'm going to weld another bar onto there to come out through the front, and then I'll go up and down so I can connect it to a post so I can adjust the pivot point for it to get it balanced. In the rear, I'm so far just got this sitting under there, which is just temporary, but I've got to do the similar thing here. That'll be bolted up under the floor nice and hard with a rod here again, so I can get the pivot point right. I'll make it adjustable so it's easy to roll over and it'll be balanced. Got a fair bit to do on it. As you can see, it's got a fair bit of rust in it, which you can see through there, underneath here. I'll do more videos once we get it on the rotisserie. Someone's had a crack at putting a floor in it here, but it's only aluminium. Not too bad. I've ordered new floor panels. These panels here will have to be replaced. I've ordered a half toe board, so it'll be replaced up to here. So that'll give me a full new section up to about here, because from there up it's looking okay. I damaged the front panel up here. I'll just bring it down. As I said, I damaged the front panel when I was pulling the motor out. Certainly the hoist makes it easy. You can see up the front here how it's been bent, and I think it was a blessing in disguise, because the front panel looked in good condition, but when it bent, I can see there's rust all along the top here, and it's just been filled up with bog. So I had a look online this morning, and you can get a new front panel for, I think it was about $600. I can't remember, but yeah. So I'm bolting this up through where the main engine front clip bolts into. I'm just going to put 2 bolts, should be enough to hold it. That'll be rock solid up against there. So I'll come out through here and then have it spin around. The floor, as you can see, I've ordered 2 new floor panels. I should only have to leave the center channel in, and as I said, half the toe bore. So that way it'll be new toe board at the bottom, 2 new panels down the side, few repairs at the front. Not too sure. This rear place looks okay, other than in the middle, just here. Also there's a bit of rust here. This rear clip bolts onto here and here, and there is supposed to be a support bracket in this corner. I'll show you the other side, but as you can see, that's rusted out. You can see this one here, so I should be able to remanufacture that okay. There is a bit of a dodgy panel under there, but anyway, I'll pull all that up Yeah. So my plan is to totally strip it and then either get it caustic bathed or sandblasted, and then start repairing the rust first. I'll pull the dash right out, windscreen off, steering column out, pedals out, handbrake off, fuel tank out, the roll bar will come off. You can see here it looks like it's had rust repairs around here, but nothing that can't be fixed. So I've been watching a chap on YouTube, Cafe Races, that's done a similar rebuild on a similar model, and he's obviously a very experienced mini mechanic. He's rebuilt the whole engine, the whole frame. His body on his Moke was extremely rusted out, which gives me a lot of confidence with what I need to do to mine. I am a motor mechanic, but I haven't done industry work for many years, but I know the basics, and this vehicle really is probably the model or the year that I ceased my trade, so I should be pretty right on it. I'm not sure of the condition of the motor. I haven't even tried to turn it over. It has got new spark plugs in it. Both engine mounts were broken. This one here and the one the other side were both broken. Yeah, so we will see, but I'll get the body stripped on a rotisserie, and then I'll make a decision whether I send it out for sandblasting